pictures with another man.
Wow.
What's the relationship between you and Pataapa right now? Are you still married to him?
See, the thing is, normally I don't want to talk about it, but I think like
Pataapa Obroni na o Germany kroma se no Atlantic Ghana. No Atlantic Ghana no ensama Ghana for atwen aye penti no oba no eje agufom no jam gufom na se Pataapa the hospital. Pataapa esi agina to hospital esi a treatment aye treating no ya mompa ma Pataapa one we broken heart e be kwa brante no because a brante friend eye atemda e tete Pataapa e wo my Ghana ama oba no free Germany ya Atlantic Ghana. Yengo chebana no musamra na wangasa bo say yes ye ka se cobra o my Ghana de cobra egum doson dia na se wangasa no betu fo ase ne beti oba no musam no make a tap send at amount tap edwuma de ko maso yasene person niska free amano no edko Ghana tap and make for the amount first time aprebo here a promo code adwene pahene wa bogu benya discount come what I say announce enterprise obeyo pop so I the ed amount na destiny roofness still trusses so about down so ed amount yengo ti oba no musamra na wangasa bo say yes broni we obedi mu nyina sia.
You are trending online about a post you made with I think a young man.
yes.
Like you guys on bed kissing, hugging. Like we know Ghanaians know like you are married to Pataapa. But all of a sudden we saw a video and a pictures with another man. What's the relationship between you and Pataapa right now? Are you still married to him?
See, the thing is, normally I don't want to talk about it, but I think like many people are thinking wrongly, or you know, like they don't know anything about it. So I think I have to clear it a little bit. I don't have to put out my private life normally, but I think I have to make some things clear. Yes, I get married to Pataapa 2021.
Yeah.
But the marriage did
That's
not.
quite 3 years now.
Yeah, 3 years. But the marriage did not work out. Like, and it's
So,
like.
so if you tell us the marriage didn't work, you mean you guys are no more?
We are officially married, yeah, because we did the court marriage, and in Ghana is a process. So I have asked for a divorce.
Okay.
So we are in the process of it. The thing is, I have not spoken to Pataapa directly.
What's brought you to Ghana?
Is Atemudo brought me to Ghana?
Yeah, we've seen you. I mean, loving Atemido's video. It's nice, you know, it's nice. But once you are in Ghana, people will be asking, "Are you coming to visit Pataapa?"
No.
First of all, like, what's your relationship with Pataapa?
He is my husband, or like ex-husband.
But you are still ex-husband.
Like, yeah, we are no more for a very long time.
Wow, but Ghanaians don't know anything about this.
Because they don't need to know. It's not like everything I have to expose. It's my private life, you know.
Wow.
And
So you want to tell me you and the Pataapa are no more there?
no.
This is really sad. Right now you are a star, you know.
But you know, this is
It's always you. Don't be jealous, though. I'm jealous. You might kiss the glue.
What about you will kiss the blight?
No, the glue.
What is the glue?
The glue now, the blight and the glue.
What is the blight and glue?
You said it before, no? Didn't you say blight and glue? Say it again.
No, that one no good.
No, say it. Say it again.
The
Say
glue.
you might what? You might what?
You may kiss the blight.
Blight.
Yes. Then listen. Then you do that's why Ghana you may kiss the blight. You see that's right.
Okay.
emu wiase pa ye kase nipa ye cobra pa de a atemda a wo Ghana pa de we number 1 isa atemda aye cobra sa etimi akeka na nesi so age Pataapa yiri hwe wabehia no airport odini kofie ei na broni we de ono no agenda no de namo broni we na agenda kese pa no de nam ai because we de we a boys intimate computer ho wi abrofo na sefo na broni we ne de ende wo back abaji obi akote nti ne no te Ghana na se uhunu na yese wo ankasa wo say yes just say the way we see the boys no awurade on fa mo nya akwadworo ono style bia bi osoro no se san hu go so a awurade wa be mem na hu no so a chese o look attractive part him say no ho ofe nti boys no obi atugu no so o hwe oba o bosi pisita ba tem da o ye fun it's why my Pataapa passport in nsanka o atemu da o ye cobra man wa nya
Hey!
nese nsema na yeti nyina nese na nokre abusia da bia won sa adwempan ne de ye no ye dwedwe nsemu edomo suko ansa da ba bonten se Pataapa yire broni na angasa no ono okuta na agenda na ode na mo broni we broni bia ono ote kroma sei no da bia no ono no anigye ene hia no sabi ompe se one day kran rebe ho no ho eno na ya ade a me de pe eyesa broni na sempa because un da bia na anase we hye no one crap ya openi papa na de we ositie no ono na de ne tirim se connected na amount for trade computer nim ewie abrofo no ono no this stuff the ban physical oba na physical in South Africa for me man de me hunu krokra eye broni we say e fana asem nkomo so na ba bi obedru bias no wonya nipa eme we kam no because of the way on no agasa no appearance e de etienti no this a broni we ye guy na hwa temuda ya na gasa abrofo mo mpeme mo ho ofani bi no wo Pataapa nim pa I say Pataapa ultimate hold machine way. I say machine way eto akonante Nigeria, akonante Africa countries Senegal, Congo, Gambia munyina aba. Wasa bedru my Ghana mu. E say Pataapa at the hospital amenoka say because atemuda e di Pataapa bone. Atemuda na e say machine way the wo yusu. Na what atemuda hwe ye say sabio so unso bi abojo say ehia. No asenso ai de e siw de ho. O kwaya broni ne fa so eyisu Pataapa no. I say Pataapa, yen shadante Pataapa din biem. Pataapa didi kra onye kese. Fon na Pataapa fon. What tem da sui. Who say mle bo kese kakra. Broni esa ba ya obati wo so no. Oza wo so wo fon. Atem da abrofu we say mo de omo adwene kita omo no omo njimi yo. Omo njimi nti da bia no de ne kala ne keke no ebe yusu. All the way broni ne ed yusu mo Africa for my man. Obe yusu mo sa no de ma create e on content na broni no na opedin ena din no onya free Pataapa ho because ono no entembia artist for no ba abrotire to na okwa ase a onya sa attention no ba Pataapa edru ye no yesese bio o wona wi a okwa nani abo de Pataapa for Obroni ni wake up eje no de ejira wiase ma wiase nyina hu se Pataapa eyira ase bio no ne atienie na yesi ano Pataapa na onso adwene ne se wo ye smart obe wale Broni no na sabio akonkratem na Germany no so wale obi a we citizen wa se a 3 years pepe also timinya passport tenye pa 3 years uso ye de obenya passport eti wei na Pataapa so gina so ade wale oba no na oba so se da bi same pa me de krata be ma da bi o me nwuma wo da na nka won ka se kro ka se bi awale de be ma krata ati Pataapa de utise machine no obogum nyina na bro no ojonsogu obogum na bro nso ojonsogu wadwon so Pataapa spam sin nyina free mu akọ hospital amia wo chi ne yam nyina ama se Pataapa aboka broni ne adin kunim e Pataapa so ana ese broni sole a Ghana na ode koba na ma for comment kire sa adan broni wo so e bia de o sitie na ada wanyama na da bi en structure no sa pepe no tie wonyem ntimo obi ama ese na temu da na nyem na temu da na nyem da broni no ho fa papa so me se camera deceive ne pa o so Pataapa yere one on one na ga o ga se ka Pataapa we wale no anazo ka se ka Africa for man ko meto guru so ne ho fa rough Pataapa we de senu ka fra why na wo so temu da the guy we de ba on obetwu so nyina nti broni no ai we de you know na di Africa for man nyina e sa pepe na wa temu da de e na mo so ba di abo o ye fun pa e na wo gina oba no na wo krokro no na esi a wo twugu Pataapa so na se nye Pataapa e na timi da oba we ba Ghana ka wa temu da nka obetima anya contact ene broni ayesa na nipa bi ekobra mpa abusa sha video ne ko wai na Pataapa de se de ohia mpa ebo ne nyum nyina to nsum nko obodo broni ne beje trend ana amfa na se broni na be overcome Pataapa peace out
Odo, mi ko kroma ba o.
na mpato ko edo hema
Mi wo fa bie mo se me send ni ska wo Ghana.
Ma me na so wo fa send ni ska ni kwa so kokro
Na me ye ne dey.
tina fi send e
kwa ba tu na me ti.
me announce tap nka
Dia.
tap send
Na no so ye dia.
apo aba obia jano dugu no phone so na wo dey register this send ska kofi ayente na hwe
Sa.
na wo kwa mo ti ko trace ka extra ma mesraw me kan fo tap send amount So you use iPhone and also over time no app store. No download the Google phone so. Android phone so no Google Play, no download the Google phone so. Mesraw. And I was send the so mesraw o first transaction be no. Why so we have promo code. No so about adwempane. Adwempane e the boom. Yes, ntimpacho. Uboguma, wo Europe kwa do be €5 free. Before the some party for. Some can put tap and amount. Oh, America to Canada, dear. Hey, ma'am, $10. To Miss Now, men have about one for say, and quite want to be a so pay. Pacho, who piano no echo. Some come up wanting the download the sea at the fee and Pacho, not relaxing. No one's pure wanted. Me wanting, mammy. Now, dear, I am the company say, first one almost a credit card and come on. And that dear tap Polar Mountain was a become for a way mobile. Was who shoot no more bank card, ultimately register SMS asem de atadwe yate de to tap a back. I'm a here for say send this can go Ghana. Now rate no so come yen dear mammy. Miss Row make a farmer. Also when you anu nie me no ye bad power and gentleman to Miss Row promo code the bogum na ho hia me. I know €5 free. I no more Canada so in US so be $10. Oh, say all day.
I am a daddy of for the only seven.
I ain't a tap here, come on. Hey, tap send Abusia, red to Mohene. It's sister, not going to pay me say.
Raka me bow, I say, to me. Me say, my bush, your friend, and you ya catch me say, me dana me boss 1 month ago, no, and you go.
I would know who's in the Ghana, no.
Me say,
and you know,
my
and I said, for company, papa. Company never knock for sister. I don't want Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses anchor. Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses, almost Ghana, sister, a band down so border number 1. And almost sign a border down so a 30 years warranty. 30 years. Now, when can unique Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses, the common air cycle pass our boss amawu. And a tea or move a border and so free estimate. Free estimate. And no more down so boss so amount say Kimwa, almost soon nadia. Sister, and almost say soon ya. And we are almost send a drum and say pick up, and pro. And can come Roma and pro. No what I brought you and I walk off a carpenter and you or say and quite check about that. So, Wabra Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses, oh, sister, Miss Row, who drew a class a pet. Who call a canna sepulchre. I'm a Mole Canada Johnson. A crapocracy, yeah. I'm a Mole Canada Johnson. Who drew my super Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses, sister, or me to car with a free estimated amount. Or be a table richly. And now for carpenter no search, sister, Miss Row, make for the amount until we didn't harm cry. It was all boca and yashi, but Destiny ever John qua. Destiny ever more bibiato, or qua, was a open set, open the estimator, or whom at all. Into dinner, I had the Pine TV and I said, Becky TV, or was I do it to my sister, or my Tom was a show, come on. No, we are table with trouble, Cassie. And I won't go for Destiny Roofing and Steel Trusses and more dazzle. Sister, may come for the amount. And how crap. Yes, number. Number and a good screen, so. Or email address in a good screen, so a tribunal. So at on my board down summer, I'm 30 years warranty.
30 years,
30 years, we will. Now, wait until how much, sister, Mr. On board down summer, wow, a cooler. One to fire more than Crumpuna or down better. And on down some bosswa, and so try and tell. On board down some, Debbie. On board down some, on mobile show of Bruchin, Destiny, not in, on mobile show of Bruchin, on board down so I would a fool. And yet, to my comfort amount, to them, so what you know, Ancasa Aquanet straight. I was a phobia for 1 night, beginning. South Pepper, me can't fool I the Edam.
To a part, the former
number, no sooner say tribunal. Email address and say tribunal. Sister, Abusia, Destiny Roofing Sheet and Trusses.
I'm about my God.
Auntie is in from you. Hello? Auntie is more we POP no. And the TV unit no. Na few painting no swear. Hey! And the company near come and ask for enterprise now. And who pictures was a name? Okay, my mission. Hey, wow! I didn't ever say. I couldn't me feel look at come and ask for enterprise. Hey, wait a minute, could do 1,000 sister. The minister dear, Nidana was a nice boy enterprise. I don't go in if you paint in the other man. He until senior made shit out where the woman nice boy enterprise. Why you fear they come apart? No come sister.
Bra, what drew Hanum? Okay, and show bedroom our own. Or maybe a POP no. I must send you pictures. Yeah, and time for pictures in the better, and I'm them poor call pet them. Sa, I have a Mr. Fabrem, yan and tem, 2 many kawaii, and I'm them a show me in a hair chair, why?
sister. Yeah, me
Na
come
me
it.
POP ne wa he.
Ah, sister, so to.
Me say me pon cop.
And that's boy enterprise, sister. Me so POP ne pa de. My sister, T, what the POP no hwe e na e twa gu.
POP wo POP ni.
En no ma e na sa.
TV set no so.
TV set no so.
Na kitchen no so.
Kitchen no so.
Na aye.
Sister.
Na ma ye fie wonum bibia.
And that's boy enterprise. Usi fie na person me POP ma wa. And that's boy enterprise we you POP amount. Almost aye TV unit e ka ho. Almost to your house nyina. And that's boy besan your kitchen amount. And that's boy assign I do windows assign she wo dan nyina. Glass na window no kromo ya sister. What to type open. Normal estimate na. Omo to 70%.
Ye se be sika nya we de omo number wa he.
Omo number ne good screen so e twa gu no. Omo number ne gu so e twa gu no timi sra Anasbo enterprise. And once obo kira omo say adwempan ti be na say be.
POPs di omo ye POPs
number one. POP looking kon na ni ade de wom. Anasbo enterprise o charge wi a ono na kofa na nyoma efiri baabi abuchire e de ba Ghana.
Wow.
Na
omo sa no afo na ho PO. Mami hwe ni POPs we.
Na sister mesra wo dan na wusi no. Mesro nye mistake fa come Anasbo enterprise. Baby be fa show mo sana ko
kitchen, TV set, bibia.
Wow, POPs, large system ni bibia. O me san atofo ka bibia ma. Na windows be efe. Sister Anasbo enterprise there. Mesro.
Omo ye King Kong.
Dream ka na me ba be ka kire no.
Mesro mama ye nam de be.
Na ye na kona ko from the wo kwa edima refi.
Adwepahene.
Benya discount kama.
Oh,
Anasbo enterprise.
omo ye King Kong.
Adwempahene otwa supre kwabrafo waye kwa bibrim han bafo otwa burumu wode putupuriye buraburu ma mansan wo fufuo